I'm very happy today. My brother is here. MDCO President Wesley Asoro, my brother. We are celebrating because we need plus, not minus. Okpebolo government, we all unite. We are those are by God's grace. I think today the unity you are seeing here started from capacity food plug to the power of Wesley Asoro for unity, for we are those sides not to be divided. I think this unity started from youth, and I'm very grateful. I'm happy and honored. Capacity over Wesley Asoro, I'm very grateful for this honor. God bless you. I appreciate it. And I want to go and change up and join you guys. God bless you.
That's Don Cabazo. That's Don Cabazo. Yes.
I'll tell Mr. Kabaka, Mr. Casey, Abel Stone, no mind them, Mr. Gogo, Wesley, and the rest. Emi yano memenita Albert, wawari wanjia. Now everything we about talk. Now I go to reply. We're not supposed to just. I know it's also good though. I make it off. He say it too much. I understand. You see that music where talents Bini song they play. I dey enjoy them. Because my papa song. Now one of the song where I bad well. I dey enjoy them myself. Okay, maybe they want to show the guy where I want to watch the live. I want to watch whether I feel sick and complete. I'm my bat to move. Batty. Batty in November. Oh, we are you boy. What do I add your boy? Oh, are your new year? Oh, why are you boy? We're not going to eat. Pop it. Albert not prepare for this thing where they pass through that. He not safe for the rainy days. Albert not safe for the rainy days. So when did he happen to that? It be like dream. All this nonsense where they do. He they do it for free. I don't investigate the whole thing. This is not people give her money. Now for free. Who are they? It's you now. They look at us, people who come out food for his mouth. They eat no money jafu. Albert, here where you? Albert like a spoiled child. A spoiled child. Well, rich man's son. You know, say Papa not rich, yo. I'm not talking about his parents, biological parents. Yo. Like, sorry, they close to the governor. Like, anything, he bully people. Anything we talk, then they go do for them. That money he want to, Obaseki believe or sorry we get big platform. He go give them. What if when he go experience situation like this, we be say, waiting talk no matters anymore. He can't even come home. What do you expect from a spoiled child like that? Where once, at least for once for in life, you don't know say everything must not go away. This must not go away. So he go they do like this. Not be every time I go reply him. So that's it. Everything I want you pull mad for that one. And again,